Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we're gonna go on my site and we're gonna check out how a flooring is done, and we will see the entire process. So I will explain you what you have to do before the flooring is laid out, what processes you have to do before the flooring is done. So this will be a very interesting video and I'll try to keep this video as short as possible. And for the people who are here on my channel for the first time, my name is Saransh Singh and I'm an architect by profession, and I keep making such videos on regular basis. You are welcome to check out my other playlist also. I have a playlist called Masters of Architecture, and I have one more playlist is all about architecture. So I have made very interesting videos on many interesting topics. So go ahead and check out my channel, and without any delays, let's get started with the video. So over here you can see they are preparing the base work, the groundwork for laying down the flooring. So this is the mixture of cement they are laying down, and under this surface what you have is your sand and mixture of cement. So that's how they form the first level, and this is how the flooring level will work. And before that, before even getting to the levels, what they do is they do the waterproofing of the slab, so there is no seepage on the slab under. So that is very important thing that you have to always remember, that first waterproofing, then you place your sand and cement mixture, then you do the leveling, and then you prepare the surface for your laying down tile. So this is how the process goes. As you can see, there are people standing with the flooring, the tiles, and now what they will do is they will slightly place the flooring over here. So there are different methods to lay down a flooring, but this is the most simpler one, and this is what we use here in India. But these are very skilled laborers, and they do their work pretty well. So now what they are doing is they are just compressing the flooring over here. One major issue that we had over here was, like, we had two flats and both the flats had different floor levels. So that was one of the major issues. So what we have to do before laying down flooring is we have to check the levels of both the flats. We did that. We took out a central level and we decided where the slope will be. So finally, when you will see over here, wait, let me show you. Okay. So where that column is, so from that column we had a different level, and that level was already lower than what we have over here. So what we did, we have focused the entire flooring, the sloping, it goes from this point to that point. Guys, one thing that you should remember before starting your flooring and before even ordering your tiles is the surface level of that entire place. Then you should prepare your flooring layout. Flooring layout is very important to get the quantities and to get the start point of the flooring. So start point is important because that's where your first tile will be placed, and then according to that the entire tiling process will be done. So if you don't do it, so what happens is that first thing, you will increase your wastage on site. So you are responsible for that. So you have to think about, like, how I will place the tile and from where I will start the tile, so that I don't have cuts in between. That's why the flooring layout is very important, and you should do it very properly and very precisely. So here in this part you can see a very common issue that happens on all the site and in all the floorings, that is the bending issue. When you have larger sizes of floorings, what happens is many of the times your tiles get a slight bend. It will be just an or 2 bend, but this happens, and to rectify it you have to do this process. So what over here they are doing is they are keeping the weight on the tile and then they are compressing it. So they are just again rebending it to its original position or making it straight, and that's what he is explaining over here. So yeah, what happened over here was like my microphone didn't work because it was mounted on gimbal and the connection wasn't proper. So something wrong is happening with my microphone, so I apologize for that. But this is the process. What they do is they carefully place weight on this flooring and then they level it. So many of the times what happens is sometimes this works and sometimes this thing goes haywire and the tile breaks. So you have to be very careful, and the laborers that you have, they should be well versed with this process while doing it. If they apply too much pressure on it or if the bend is too much, and they won't be able to fix this. Pouring down water with waterproofing chemical, and there is not much of chemical in it, but there is some. And now they will level it, and after that they will be pouring mixture of rock cement and cement along with water on that surface, and then they will lay down the flooring over there. What they are doing here is measuring it, and there is a column in between. So according to that they will cut this tile. So what is he saying is he's just giving the measurements to him, and according to that he is measuring and doing it. So can you see the corner over here? So that's how they take out the corners. And this whole thing will go and fit onto this corner part here. So they have to fit it around the column and around the door frame. So that's a very tricky one. The tile has been fitted. As you can see, they took the marking, they did everything. Now it's set. So guys, this was the entire process of flooring and how it's done and everything. And if you have any kinds of doubts or queries, you can mention it in the comment section. And if you liked this video, if you liked my channel, so go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel, support a fellow architect. And guys, I will be updating you on the next processes that will be carried out on the site. This site has its own unique challenges, and I will be trying my level best to share all those things and how we have overcome all those challenges. So just stay tuned, and I'll see you all soon. And guys, take care of yourself and your family. Stay strong. Bye bye.